everyone, Jay here. I'm at the beach. We have the MX7. We're set to beach mode sensitivity of 7. Let's get all the goodies. We have a 0.2. Let's get it. Just under the surface. Shake, shake, shake. Alright, one chunk of foil into the pouch. We have a 69 penny. Should be right here, 2 inches. It sounded weird. That's why I was swinging it around. Shake, shake, shake. All right, 1 penny and a band-aid into the pouch. You have a negative 24 iron. Let's get it. Seven inches. Oh, I see it. Sparkler. It just keeps going through. Into the pouch. We have a 10 foil signal. I should just be under the surface. Alright, some can slaw into the pouch. Have a jumpy signal. Goes from 15 all the way up to 40. About 4 inches. Oh, I see it. What is that, lighter? Yeah. It's all rusted out though. Into the pouch. Dime signal. Alright. Might be a quarter. Only one way to find out. Might be a quarter. Might be a Smirnoff. Into the pouch. Any dime signal. Settled on dime. Let's get it. Alright. Shake, shake, shake. Blue moon. Into the pouch. We have a 12 foil signal. Let's get it. 4 inches. Alright, some can slaw. We have a solid 75. Let's get it. Two and a half inches. Alright, 1 crusty dime. We have a 10 foil signal. Right here. See anything? Oh, that's why. Because it's cancel. And it was flat. Into the pouch. We had a penny signal. right here, 4 inches. It's gonna be iron scale. What is this? Oh, it's a bug. Oh, I see, this iron scale. Into the pouch. We have a penny signal, solid 73. 4.5 inches. I think I hit it. Oh, I see it. It's all shiny. One shiny penny into the pouch. We have a solid quarter signal, 82, but oh, it's taking neat. Look at that. One quarter into the pouch. We have a penny signal, solid 73. Let's get it. 3.5 inches. Let's see, yeah. Shake, shake, shake. All right. All right, 1 dime. It's yellow. We have a jumpy signal. Goes from 70 to 80. Should be right here about 3 inches. It's beeping over here. Kind of weird. Where'd you go? Alright. Since it's acting all weird, I'm gonna go ahead and assume that it is iron scale. Yep, it's a big old piece. Into the pouch. At a chirp of a signal. I'm guessing it's going to be more iron scale. Let's get it. Three and a half inches. Gotta have my iron scale. Alright, there it is. Into the pouch. We have a penny signal. Solid 74. Let's get it. 3 inches. Hey, look at it sticking out the side. Alright, it's a dime. Bonus. Into the pouch. I have a penny signal. 69 to 70. 2 inches. I see something red. And it is a screw top. Into the pouch. What does that say? Family owned in California. SH. Negative 14 iron signal. Let's get it. Saying 7.5 right there. Alright, 4 inches, I like that better. There it is. Into the pouch. Iron signal, it's a little jumpy. Let's get it, negative 12. Alright, I'll dig that. That is a serious tent peg. Into the pouch. Have a penny signal. Let's get it, 69 to 71. 2.5 inches. Shake, shake, shake. Not your father's. Into the pouch. I haven't found one of those in forever. That's the second one. We have a penny signal. One inch. 70 or 67 to 69. One penny. 0.6 foil. It's a big foil. Alright, one juice top. It's all over. Goes from 40s to 80s. Going to be a good bottle cap. Sound like R2-D2 for a second. All right, this is a big one. Oh, I saw it. Keeps rolling by. Oh, all right. There's 2 of them. Bud. Into the pouch. We have a penny signal. Jumpy, goes from 50 to 70. Three inches. Shake, shake, shake. I think, yeah, crusty penny. Cool. 0.8. Let's get it. Shake, shake, shake. Hey, zipper pull. Into the pouch. We have a penny signal. Six inches. Red Smirnoff. We have a negative Iron signal goes from 8 to 16. 5 inches. One screw into the pouch. Welcome to the wrap up. As you can see, we had another great day at the beach. We found Canslaw foil, 2 tent pegs, some iron scale, bottle caps, an armadillo lighter, a screw, a sinker, 1/4, 3 dimes, 5 pennies, and 1 sand tiger shark tooth. That's the only tooth that I've ever found on that beach. It's kind of weird, but I found it. It's gonna go join the rest of the collection. If you liked what you saw, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, my friends.